Hi, I'm Kevin. I just got off the Volkl Bridge. This ski gets 4.5 out of 5 stars. For me, it's still one of the most well-rounded all-mountain freestyle skis. It's super versatile with sway. It kind of just can go everywhere, ski the whole mountain, super quick edge to edge on the front side, but it's got enough there for some, boot deep pow days, cruds in the tree. And if you want to go play around in the park a little bit, it can handle that too. Good edge grip, very stable, very predictable, top contender for all mountain freestyle ski.